back to another episode of Notta Garage. Today we're going to be doing some unboxing of all the new Mishimoto parts. That's basically, we got the block. Heads coming in on Monday. Today is Friday. For the people that are watching this not on Friday. It's that boy Hamo.
Ranch Water need to sponsor the click.
For real. So, yeah, we're going to get to it. Alright, so we're going to start unboxing some shit that we got from Mishimoto. I assume that this is our oil cooler. Keep them oil temperature down, boy. What you looking at, son? Got hose. I got hose.
Plenty of those.
Chelsea, I don't really got hose.
Looking stupid.
Oh, look at this little box, dude.
That's hot.
Sandwich. If you don't think I'm gonna put a sandwich in this bitch, take it to work.
Nah, for real. But you gotta like cut the crust off and shit.
Yeah, put it in the box. Props to Mishimoto for one, sponsoring my dumb shit, and two, yeah, thermostatic oil cooler sandwich plate. Bruh, there's some production value in their packaging.
For real?
Like, this is some nice boxes.
Good cardboard.
I don't know, printed on and shit. The only thing I can say that I don't like about this kind of shit is that when this is sitting on my doorstep, if I saw this sitting on someone's doorstep, I'm gonna be like, for sure, I'm gonna get that. Let me hop out real quick.
I need that shit.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, but we finna get it.
But I need it.
Oil cooler, we're gonna mount that like right there, behind the grill.
That's gonna be spicy.
Or we can go like full Bozu and like put it in front of the intercooler and run the fucking hoses through the
bumper.
Through the bumper. That might be dope too.
That'd be hot.
We're gonna see how it pops off.
You gotta fuck with it. See what fucking with what.
We got all our fittings and shit that we're gonna need. But aside from that, that's good. I'm gonna open the radiator. I'm gonna give him a razor blade. Slide this on out the way.
Heat gun on.
Because that's Jay's heater. I walked in, I was like, you were doing a harness? He's like, no. That's my heater. He's warm-blooded, as you can tell by the office being 100 degrees.
Yeah, that bitch is fucking...
He's from Trinidad, so he's used to like the tropical type shit. But they got some good packaging, I'll give them that.
Hell yeah.
Our radiators that we sell do not come like that. Not Trinity Tuning or Notta Garage. Notta Garage got great packaging. If you order stuff. I'll package it myself.
Oh shit. You need to get a close up on them dimes. You see how them dimes are stacked in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do that. Don't copyright me. Mighty Car Mods. If I do the harp. Get a close up on the dimes. We're gonna see
That shit hot.
how it works out.
Fat ass radiator, boy.
I know, compared to stock, oh, my stock one's at my house. I could have done a compare and contrast. The stock one's like little bitty.
Okay, the one like these regular ass ones. Shit wet, bro.
Mother. Good enough. See, what's in box number 3?
Okay.
I cut the wrong shit. What's up, Jay?
What up, dog?
What you doing?
About to go street clean that fucking car.
Oh, the R30. Oh, the
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
What?
The Nissan?
No. Well, yeah, both of them were Nissans.
The
32 is technically a Nissan.
Oh, you're street turning the 32?
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Silicone hoses, boy.
This, oh my god.
Oh shit.
He's excited.
Oh yeah, you watching?
Mishimoto, I got your fucking box cutter, bitch.
Yeah, you watching the fucking YouTube video? Seeing how foolish you always get.
Fuck yeah, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna work good, dude.
Good trumpet noise. That's what we need.
Looks like Cthulhu's mouth in the bag.
Did it okay on Christmas morning?
What are those for?
Got more hose, dude. This time I got black hose.
Bro, Yo, you bought 3 belts?
Yeah, you said you needed 3 of them.
No, I said I need 2. I said I don't need the AC because you're not running AC.
See, this is why you don't work with Jay.
I literally texted you.
You sent me a picture of 3 belts and said, "Can you get these?"
Yes, and then right after that, if you look in the text message, I say, "Yo, I do not need AC because he's not running AC."
Little behind the
I
scenes
do
action.
remember that.
Yes, I know. That's all I said. He's not running AC anymore. I don't need.
Then why did you send me a picture of 3 belts?
Steering and the water pump.
Why'd you send picture of 3 belts then?
That was
Yeah.
the first picture. And then afterwards, they're like, "No, I don't need that." Like,
Jordan, where the bathroom at?
It's right there.
Yeah, right there.
Alright, bet.
El baño está aquí. That's what it sounds like when you're taking a fat ass shit at work. After Taco Bell. Alright.
From irritable bowel syndrome.
My IBS is flaring up, boys. Oh shit. So this is pretty cool. It's thermostatic. So you can see there's a little thermostat inside of there. So we're not going to be constantly cooling our oil. It'll come on at 180 degrees. And then it will turn off when the oil is cool. So this is Mishimoto.
Solid mechanical engineering.
Yeah, for real. Got a little thermostat in there that can be replaced. Bruh. This right here is fucking me up.
Let's get a close up on that.
Look at this. Look at this box.
You see the glare, ladies and gentlemen?
The glint. Ciao.
And it also has a nice little foam inside.
To hold everything from bashing around.
Keep everything together.
All right, Dan.
Well, that's that. Tune in next week.